Hello viewers, to vote for WKC on the ongoing git.io polls, all you need to do is to click on the link embedded in this tweet, and then it will launch your in-app browser. When you get to this page, you'll be able to see all the other cryptocurrencies that WKC is competing with and the number of votes. Now you just need to search for WKC by scrolling, and when you find it, all you need to do is to click vote. Now when it loads up for you, it's going to show you the on-chain deposit page. Now make sure that WKC is highlighted there, and make sure that the network is WKC BSC/BEP20, and then it will review a deposit address for you. Now you can choose to copy this deposit address or scan the barcode if you're using another device. Now after you have copied this code or scanned it, what you need to do is deposit at least 4.7 plus billion WKC tokens, which is worth about $50. But for you to have a smooth vote, it is advised that you deposit at least up to $70 worth of WKC. Now having copied this address, all you do is go to your Trust wallet where you have your WKC, you click on it and you click send, and you paste that wallet address there, and then you choose $70, which is about 5.8 billion plus WKC. Now proceed with this and then confirm. After you must have sent it out, you go back to your page and then you refresh. You should see down below your recent deposits. Now right here, if you scroll, you're going to see the WKC that you have just deposited, and the status will remain pending. After this deposit is confirmed, it will show success like this. Once it has shown success, you have successfully voted for WKC. Please note that before you engage in this voting process, make sure that your gate.io account has been KYC'd at least to level 1, and make sure that you have confirmed that the status of your deposit is successful. Having done all of this, you can choose to go back and then refresh this page. Once it has refreshed, you should see this that says I have cast 1 vote. Now once you have seen all this, your vote is successful. Thank you for viewing, thank you for watching, and I do hope that this video helps you vote for WKC successfully and help us win this poll. Thank you.